Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will just be cleaning up that area over there and putting in this 9-cube organizer with these bins. And I will be just using these curtains, but just the plush color, not the white. I did move those into my middle daughter's room. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get on into it. I did just get this 9-cube organizer at Walmart with these storage bins. They are from the brand Mainstay. I would say this is our catch-all for toys in our house. For some reason, they just always end up in our bedroom. Does this happen to anybody else? Leave it in the comments if it does. These cords always get so tangled and just make such a mess. I'm so ready to just get this all out and untangled. This piece was so hard to get out of the bedroom. I do not remember it being this heavy. I'm sure it would have been easier if I would have taken out all the blankets and stuff that I keep in there, but you know, it finally came and I finally got it out, so. Now I'm just going to vacuum this area really good because it does get dusty with all the electronics over there. And I will just be wiping the baseboards down as well. And now that I have this area all clean and dust free, I will just be building the cube organizer. Okay, so now that we have the 9 cube organizer built, I will just be getting the storage bins all made and figuring out where I am wanting to put them in this area. I only purchased 4 because I didn't want it overloaded with cubes and just filled with stuff that I'm not needing to put in them, because that is exactly what happens. The more cubes I get, the more stuff I feel like I can put in them. And this is my daughter Lydia, and that is Logan. They are right at 13 months apart. Everyone says they're twins, and they are just the cutest little helpers I have. And now to wipe down all the electronics that we have over here. They do get pretty dusty, and after I get done dusting them, I will untangle all of the cords and get them how they're needing to be set up to where they won't get as tangled again like this. Okay, now I'll be going through the curtains that I purchased at Walmart, and they are the brand Mainstay. I will just be using the plush curtains in my room and giving the white ones to my middle daughter. I know I haven't told you guys this before, but I do have 4 children. Our oldest is 10, and then it goes all the way down to our only little boy, who will be turning 4 in August. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. And I really hope you like what I did and you find some motivation to maybe change up your room just a little bit. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next one.